Recovering deleted messages on LinkedIn can be challenging as the platform does not offer a direct way to restore them once they are deleted. However, you can try the following steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check archived messages. Go to your LinkedIn messaging section and look for any archived conversations. Sometimes, messages may be archived instead of deleted, and you can restore them from there. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for LinkedIn messages, check your email inbox for any message notifications. You might find snippets of the deleted messages in those notifications. Step 3. Use LinkedIn Data Export. Request a data export from LinkedIn. Go to the settings, find the data privacy section, and select Get a copy of your data. This may include your messages, and you can review the downloaded file for any deleted content. Step 4. Contact LinkedIn support. If you cannot find the messages through the previous steps, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support. Explain your situation, and they may be able to assist you further. Step 5. Prevent future loss. To avoid losing important messages in the future, consider regularly backing up your LinkedIn messages or using a note-taking app to save crucial conversations. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on LinkedIn can be difficult, these steps may help you find what you're looking for or prevent future losses.